low price tag does not mean it doesn't smell delicious.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simonalisa.
Hello, my beautiful angels. I just woke up from a nap. I had my first smart today, and let me tell you, it was a very long day. And I walked out of there broker than I was. But I have a video about that is probably going to be up before this. Right now, if I sound a little quiet and if my voice is a little calmer than usual, I just took a nap, and Loki, everyone else also took a nap at the same time as me. We're just all very connected like that, I guess. I'm gonna close my door a little bit. I'm not used to closing my door because I want my cat to walk in, to her favorite person's room. But I thought today I would talk about my favorite perfumes because people need to cut that and not gatekeep. And just like splurge all your information about your favorite scents. So let's just get right into it. And let me tell you guys, this is affordable edition because no one has the money to spend on Miss Dior, Miss She, Miss Who, Miss That. Okay, let's start with the OG, Britney Spears Fantasy Original. Now, what would be fun is if I get my iPad and pull up all the notes for you guys and go a little bit more in depth. But I found it on my floor. Let me tell you guys, my iPad was one of my best investments in my whole life. Okay, I'm an iPad kid. I'm cheap. Everything I buy is secondhand. I can't be splurging like that. Okay, where I live, it's expensive. University is expensive, but this saved me. She's the reason I could have okay grades. But she's also so fun. Okay, let's look up Britney Fantasy. Let me tell you something. If you ever want to look up things about perfumes, any information, Fragrantica, you guys probably know her. She's like such a good website. So this perfume, let me tell you, I would say it is universally acceptable as a sweet smell. I think a lot of people will be down to smell like that. But the main accords, whatever that means, sweet, fruity, but let me tell you, don't let the descriptions trick you. When you see floral, there's so many different types of florals. That's why these descriptions get me messed up every time. Gardenia. What? Everything's gardenia. But then they all smell different. So what the hell? So you have to think, oh, and I'm going to keep touching up the bang, okay? Like I'm gonna use stuff and whatever. I cut her myself, so she's uneven and I need to hide that from you guys. So yeah, fruity isn't always, it smells like an apple. It smells like floral isn't always like it smells like a flower. You mix it up and it's like, maybe this is common knowledge. But to me it's like, I for the longest time was like, why is everything described as floral and I smell it and it's like, because I don't like floral scents. Like Miss Dior, I actually don't like her. I don't want to smell like her. Because she actually smells like a flower. And then I smell other scents. I see that, I'm like, oh, they're floral. And I smell them. I'm like, no, it's not. It doesn't smell like a flower. It smells good. No, the flowers don't smell good, but I don't want to smell like them. I don't want to smell like a daisy. Anyways, tropical fresh chocolate. Chocolate's in there. That sweetness, that chocolate mixed with other things, it just is so good. And literally, let me tell you guys, and then you scroll, it gives you the notes and also similar perfumes, people's pros and cons about them. It tells you longevity. If you guys don't use this website, get on it. It's so good. So yeah, top notes: kiwi, queen say, I don't know what that is. Red lychee, middle notes, white chocolate, cupcake. These are some cupcakes, some chocolate, some vanilla. Oh, vanilla isn't on here. Musk is a base note. I would not guess that. So those are the notes, but how I would describe it now. My professional opinion, because the website isn't what they're talking about. It's just a delicious sweet. It's like a little girly, like such a fun time. Next, we're gonna move on to Miss Juicy, Evil Juicy, and Miss Gold Couture. So this, we all know how she smells. It's like such a good, she's a classic. She's just good. Oh, I can't explain them. And this one, it's more bold. It's a little more caramel, a little more specific, a little more sweet. The other one, let me see what the other cheese was. You go search perfumes. I'm talking like I'm sponsored. I wouldn't mind being sponsored by companies that I like Fragrantica. Okay. So, Feel Juicy, sweet white floral. Now, let me pause you right there, guys. When you're looking, if you're like me, you don't like floral smells, you like sweet smells. If you see something described as white floral, pause right there. White floral is very different from floral. I don't know what it means, but it adds something good to it, and it doesn't like flower. Caramel's up there. Vanilla's up there. You got some caramel, some vanilla, some chocolate for me, like, oh my god, so good. There's some powderiness at the bottom, woodiness at some point, which, girl, I was smelling the wood in there. Thank God. Okay, now let's look up Gold Couture. This, let me tell you, is like my favorite. Hello? Are you not on this website? This website stuff. Oh, she's there. Okay, guys, what was I saying? Caramel, vanilla, sweet, white, floral, fruity. She doesn't smell like a fruit. She doesn't smell like wood. And honestly, when you sniff it, you're not gonna be like, oh, it smells like caramel sauce, like caramel, like no. But it's got that little hint, and with it all mixed together, it's delicious. Next, let me tell you, Nicki Minaj Pink Friday. I got the mist, so I can only speak on the mist. I was, if you guys caught that with the mic, I was testing out earlier. So people, that sounded like a fart. My sister just woke up from her nap. I think she got a snack, and I think she squirted some mayo out of a bottle. So, don't get me wrong, that don't mean they don't fart. Because okay. Top note, fruity. Let me tell you, I sniffed this. I'm not. Oh, plastic cat phone crap. I'm not smelling no fruity. I'm just smelling some sweet deliciousness. Sweets up there. Caramel, guys. Caramels and all of these. Vanilla. I love vanilla. Citrus aquatic fresh. Okay, that is like literally. There's a small hint in here because I do smell that freshness. When you mix it with that sweetness, it's so perfect. Oh my god. Honestly, this description is pretty good because I see the fresh. I see the like the aquatic fresh little mix. Okay. Next. Remember, this is on a budget. So the most expensive are the Viva La Juicies. Canadian dollars, it's like it ranges 80 to 100. But these little mists are $10 at your local every store. Pharmacy, Winners, Walmart. Yeah, these are $10. And then these little Britney little fantasy ones range like 20 to 40 depending on the size and depending on where you're going. Okay, can. Fruities, they're up there. Sweet, amber, powdery. It says floral, but we're noticing a pattern here with what is in the top notes. We got a lot of sweet. We got a lot of caramel. We got a lot of we get fruity. And let me tell you, no one sniffs me and tells me I smell like a fruit. So if you don't want to smell like an apple, don't worry. You won't. Okay, I just did can. Okay, next. Gold Rush. Let me tell you. This to me smells like it's got like a summer smell, but it's not like when you smell like a tropical like a coconut pina colada. No. It's like an all year round smell, but it's got a summer hint to it. I don't know what it is. Okay, literally these accords are like so short, this little list here. Sweet, vanilla, powdery, oh, lactonic. Someone in the comments if you know, if anyone gets smells and understands them, you let me know. Wow, I'll wrap this up quickly, guys. I don't go too much on a rant about any of these. I feel like I concise this pretty well. Let me tell you, this has like something about it smells fresh. Maybe that's the lactonic thing. I don't know. Because the other smells in here, like the sweet vanilla powdery, that doesn't add the freshness. So I think that's whatever the lactonic one means. So you guys let me know what the hell that means. So those are some of my favorite perfumes, okay? I literally grabbed random ones, put them up. And I don't know if I'm forgetting any, but let me tell you, there's some I like from like Bath & Body Works too. When they're on sale, but the only reason I'm not gonna like pull them out and start say my favorite scents is if you know they like take a bottle. There's a scent name, Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. Years later, you smell something called creme brulee. You sniff it, you're like, this smells so familiar. Like, it is literally Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte with a different name. Anyone notice that? With Bath and Body Works, they do that. They take the same scent, slap on a different name. I don't know why. Couldn't tell you, but let me tell you, one thing is it feels like the quality's gone down a little bit, and sometimes their smells, like, it's so hit or miss. Like, some of their smells, it feels like they just like go bad so quick. And they're also, a lot of them do not last. That's another hit or miss. Like, you could get a mist that has some projection. Like, if you want projection, this. Because let me tell you, do you ever get compliments when you wear a body mist, a body fragrance mist, whatever, without pairing it with a perfume? I don't know. Probably not often. But when I wear this, so if you want something really cheap, a mist, and you want some projection, get that. If that also pairs well with other perfumes, like, it's such a good base. Like, you can mix and match, and I totally recommend you do that. Also, that little Vaseline trick, put it on your sweat points, Vaseline's cheap, and then put that perfume on. It's, I don't know if it works, but it's gotta work. It sounds like it makes sense. It feels like when I do it, I don't know if it's placebo, but it feels like I do smell better. So you guys let me know. Ooh, also, okay, so like I was saying earlier with the app, like let me scroll down, let me show you guys. This perfume reminds me of. So then similar perfumes come up, but the website gives you the expensive ones because I was looking at those little bow bottles. These guys, they're expensive. You see? So you could look at that this reminds me of if you want to go broke. Or we can all help each other out in the comments. We can talk about what smells we like the description of, like, do we like sweet, do we like, and then recommendations. I like sweet, vanilla, caramelly, cupcake deliciousness smells, and these are my recommendations. So if you have the same scent preferences as me, and you have like on lockdown, like you know what you love, let me know. If you like other types of smells, drop down that description of like what you like white floral or whatever, gardenia or whatever, and you let us know what your favorites are. So I'm always here to help my girls out, my angels. Like, I'm always here for you guys, so we can all be on a budget together, because you could totally be a maximalist and enjoy things in life and not be rich. You know, you could save money too if you want to be a little less broke than you are. But you could also shop secondhand and shop the cheaper perfumes, because just a low price tag does not mean it doesn't smell delicious. You just need to be smart about it. And let me tell you, we are not going to get into this right now, but it all starts with your base. When you're in the shower, layer those scents. We heard it so many times now. Use some yummy body washes, bitty washes. Use like, you could do 2 washes. You could use scrubby tools. You could use body scrub. You could use all that. Put some oil after the shower. You know, sweat points, put the Vaseline and all of that. There's so many tricks to elongate your smell, make it last. So that's my tips to tell you guys. So thank you so much for watching, my beautiful angels, and remember to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Also, hold up, let me know if this mic makes a difference. I still might return high, because what is the point if you still hear everyone in the background? My voice projects enough. I don't need this mic. But you know what voices project more? My family's. So